guys, today we are going to do Pipecleaner Craft. Today I'm going to do 3 of them. One is a butterfly ring and one more is a duck and another one is a swan. Now let's start with it. Butterfly. For that, the materials required are 3 pipe cleaners. You can get it in Amazon. Yellow, blue, brown. Then a scissor. Now let's start with it. So you have to take yellow and blue together. You have to equal it and keep it. Okay. Then you have to twist it. You have to twist it. Okay. After you twist, you have to keep it in your middle finger and any of your finger. Then you have to keep it together here like this. Then twist it. Then flip it like this. It will come like a cross mark. Okay. So this should be big and this should be small. So we'll cut this little bit. Twist it properly. For me, this is the comfortable way. You can keep it outside and twist it. You can twist it when it's inside your hand also. Then you have to twist it like this, like a round. Okay? Then one more over here. Next, you have to shapen it like this. Okay? So these are the wings of the butterfly. Next, we'll do the down of the butterfly. So that's the blue color. Then again shapen it. Then one more over here. Over here. Then shapen it. So we finished the wings. Now we'll do the body of it. So you have to insert it from here, okay? Then it will come outside. Then you have to press it like this. Okay, then you have to twist it. Okay, after twisting, you have to cut this part. Then you have to do it like this. So this is the head of the butterfly. Come like this then. So we made a butterfly and you can insert in your finger. Oh, it looks so beautiful, like it's sitting in my butterfly sitting on my hand. Now we are going to make a duck. So the materials required for this is one yellow pipe cleaner, a pom-pom ball, some googly eye, glue and scissor. Now let's start with it. So you have to twist it here properly. So one side will be the head and one side will be the body. So now I'm starting to do the body. pom-pom ball. This is the feather of it. Now let's stick it. You have to put little bit glue here. Okay. Then you have to stick it. And you have to let that dry for few minutes. Then again we'll stick the eye for it. According to your duck, you can stick whichever size of googly eye. For me, this size is setting. After that, you have to let it dry for a few minutes for the both of them. Then it will get dried properly. Oh, my duck is swimming in the water. See, it's swimming and going. And see here, this is the eyes. Here I've sticked. It can come out if you don't let it dry for few minutes. Okay? Or if you don't stick it properly. Then stick the eye. Yeah. See my duck. It's so cute. A swan. So the materials required are 3 pipe cleaners, 2 pink and 1 brown, a scissor, a pom-pom ball, some googly eyes and a glue. Now let's start with it. So you have to take 1 pipe cleaner of pink, then you have to rotate it here like this. See, you can see you have to rotate it. Want to make the swan little more bigger, then you can add one more pipe cleaner. You can make it together, one big pipe cleaner. So then next we'll make the head. Sometimes it can go outside, so you can put it inside this hole. See if it comes out. You can shape this. Then next we'll make the head. Rotate it here like this. See, then we'll just make it like this. So like a duck we have to make. See, this is the body. Next we'll add the legs for it. So you have to here you can see inside one hole. You have to put it inside that. See here, it will come out like this. Like this, then just twist it, only one twist, so it comes like this. Then do it like a 4. According to your this one swan, like that you can fold it. It should not be so big or it should not be so small. Next we'll cut this over here. Then over here like this. Okay. Then next one, here we are going to cut it. Okay. Then over here. See, we made the body and the legs. Now we'll stick the feathers of it and the eye and the beak. So we'll stick the feathers first. This pom-pom ball over here and press it. Then according to your swan, you can stick the eyes. For me, this is the correct size. So we'll stick it. Okay. Next, we're going to stick the beak of it. So here you have to cut little bit. Okay. Then you have to you can do it from behind here. Okay, for me this much is enough. So I can cut this much. So here you're going to keep it behind. Then keep it like this. So want, you can make the beak seam front also, like sticking part. I'm showing it back.